सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धिर्दृग्यस्तु निर्मलम् अकारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमस्तोऽन्यते इति मे निश्चिता मतिः। Page 73, topic 123, fourth line. अहमात्मविचारं कुर्याम् त्रयः पुत्राः मम लोकत्रयं पालयन्तु इति ततो मन्त्रिद्वारा पुत्रान् स्वसमीपमानाय स्वस्य भोगे वैराग्यम् एकान्ते रतिं च तेभ्यो निवेद्य राज्याधिकारमङ्गीकर्तुं तान् आज्ञापयन् एकैकस्मै एकैकम् लोकं विभज्यादात्। Nischala gave introduction in 3 chapters. First 2 are as Anubandha Chatushtayam, Samanya Vishesha Rupa Anubandha Chatushtayam. Then Guru Sishya Lakshanam Guru Seva. All these topics are introductory topics. Now in 4th chapter he begins exact teaching in the form of a story, Guru Sishya Samvada Rupam. As our Upanishads gives that Akhyayika in the form of Yajnavalkya, Maitreyi, Yajnavalkya, Janaka, and Krishna and Arjuna. All the teachings are in the form of Samvada. Therefore, that is the method of teaching, Samvada Rupena. Therefore, Nischala says here also, since my book is a Prakarana Grantha, the story is not just like Puranas. This is my own imagination. That imagination story I am giving. That's why Apurvam he said. This is not given in any Puranas, Upanishads. Whatever it may be, the purpose of that story is Samvada. Through Samvada, one can get the message by Prashna and Samadhana. Therefore, he introduced that story, Shubha Santati story. There is a king by name Shubhasantati. This king is not an ordinary king. His imagination also is too high imagination. This king is ruling Lokatrayam, Bhuloka, Swargaloka and Patala Loka. 3 lokas like Adholoka. 3 lokas. Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka and lower lokas or Suvarloka you can take. Intermediary loka. Some 3 lokas he is ruling. Then one day he has got 3 sons. Tattva Drishti, Adrishti and Tarka Drishti. These 3 sons, names are given based on their adhikaritvam. Tattva Drishti, a bright son, very, very intelligent, and Adrishti is not much mediocre son. Tarka Drishti is that who is always having doubts, more logical reasoning, argument type. Therefore, Tarka Drishti name is given. What this king thought, let me take retirement from this kingship, ruling responsibility. And he thought like this. He has undergone Sheshava-avastha, that is Sishu avastha, and Kaumara avastha, Yavana avastha, and Grihastha-ashrama, everything he completed with Vaidika Parampara, whatever traditionally he has to do. Having completed that, he has got lot of maturity, refinement. Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirveda mayad. Having seen everything in this world, that Raja has got vairagyam. That is what he says, aham atma vicharam kuryam. Let me do self-inquiry. Previously what he thought, Atma, Ajaha, Nityaha, second line. Atma is eternal. Other than Atma, everything is anityam, temporary. Therefore, Atma alone gives security, ananda. Atma is birthless and it is absolute ananda. Therefore, whatever is other than Atma is dukkha rupam, dukkha swarupam. Even anatma ananda, putra ananda, putri ananda also, griha ananda, kar ananda, they are not coming from them really. Atma alone is reflecting there. Atmananda only reflected in all those objects. That's why Atmananda is Niratishaya Ananda. He has understood that. Vivekam Udiyaya, that arose, that Viveka arose in his mind. Therefore, let me do self-inquiry. Trayaha putraha mama lokatramam palayantu. Let my children, my sons, rule these 3 kingdoms. Palayantu. This is within inverted commas because he is thinking in his mind. Iti. Thus. Tataha. Therefore, what he did once that thought came in his mind, Mantri Dwara, through his minister, Mantri Dwara, Putranu Swa Samipam Anaya. Mantri Dwara, he sends his minister, please bring my sons here. He called his sons through his minister. So minister will go and call that the 3 sons, and your father king is calling. Anaya is a causal form. Swasya bhoge vairagyam ekante raticha. tebhyo nivedya. When sons approached him, one's father called them. The three of them are presented in front of father. Then father says, who is the father? Subhasantati says, Swasya bhoge vairagyam. Swasya means for himself. The king is telling, my dear children, I have got dispassion now, renunciation, I have got vairagyam, detachment. You bhoge in pleasures, sense pleasures, enough of these sense pleasures for me. Then what I am interested in, ekante ratim, I want to enjoy loneliness, solitude. Loneliness is different from solitude. Loneliness means you feel you are alone. That is called loneliness. But with your interest, if you stay alone, that is called solitude. Aratir jana samsadihi. Once you get vairagyam, you don't like to mix with people. Unnecessary talking and all, you don't like much like other people. That is Vivikta Desha Sevitvam, Krishna's language. Vivikta Desha Sevitvam means living or interested in living alone. That is called Bhoge Vairagyam Ekante Rati. Tebhyaha Nivedya. Having informed them his opinion, Rajyadhikaram Angikartum Tan Ajnapayan. So, you three of you take my Rajya Adhikaram, the powers. You three of you have to take my powers. Ajnapayan. That Raja ordered those children. Ajnapayan. What he said, Ekas ekaikasmai ekaikam lokam. For each one of them, one loka. Eldest son one loka, second son another loka, third son another loka. 3 lokas for each one of you. Vibhajya adad. He allotted, he gave the powers for each son. One kingdom. You rule that kingdom. Up to here we saw in the last class. Further story continuation. Vibhajya rajyadanem putrana mithaha kalahaha tanmulakataya prajanam dukkham cha bhavediti manvano raja swayameva swarajyam putrebhyo vibhajyadat yatra manavo mrutaha san Parameshwarat Taraka Mantropadesham Labdhva Anayasena Muktim Labheta Yatra Cha Sarvantaryami Vishveshwaraha Sada Sannihitaha Yatra Cha Ati Gabhira Ganga Uttara Vahini Iti Prathita Pravahati Tatra Kashi Nagare Sthitva Swasya Rajyam Palayitum Putranadidesham Saha Raja Vibhajya Rajyadani. Why Raja divided that 3 kingdoms for each one kingdom? Why he did? He thought in this manner. Putrana mitaha kalahaha tanmoolat prajanam. If I don't do this before I am leaving to forest or some of my sadhanas to do, what will happen? Mutually, putranam kalahaha. They will quarrel mutually. Mithaha means mutually. Avyayam, indeclinable. Mithaha, mutually, putranam kalahaha. They quarrel each other or fight each other. They will go to the court. Not only that, tanmoolataya, because of that, prajanam dukkhancha. Once they are quarreling each other, fighting each other, all people in that country, kingdom, they will also suffer. Prajanam dukkhancha. If Raja won't distribute the responsibility to sons, the Rajyam, who has to become king of which place? People cannot live peacefully because these people will quarrel. That is what we saw in all our history, past history, fighting for that throne. Now also it is going on, fighting for throne in one family. Suppose there are 2-3 children, we need not go for any past history. Present history also showing they are quarreling. Fortunately, that past ex-minister, chief minister, don't have her own issues to quarrel. But another person's children are fighting, quarreling. This is what happening everywhere. In family, for property they quarrel. For a house, 2 houses, 3 houses are there. The more property, the more disturbance. Therefore, to avoid that, bhavediti manvanaha, having thought of bhaved, it may happen if I don't distribute. Mutual quarrel between my sons and unrest in the people will happen. Therefore, having thought of that, Raja swayameva swarajyam putrebhyaha vibhajya. That Raja, he himself, what he did, his own kingdom, all 3 lokams, he distributed putrebhyaha for his sons. Vibhajya adad, divided, and they have given to them. Yatra, then what he said? After giving the kingdom, he said these words to his children. Yatra manavaha mrutaha. My dear children, you stay in Kashi and rule your place. You stay in one place and rule your kingdom. 3 of you should stay in Kashi itself. What is the greatness of Kashi? He is telling to his children now. There, Lord Shiva himself comes and gives Taraka mantra. And with that mantra, one can get moksha there. In Kashi, whoever leaves their body. So that place, if you stay, Lord Shiva will give, even animals also, even dog, cat, etc. Any jiva dies in the Kashi, Lord Shiva himself comes and do mantropadesha, Taraka mantram, Ramanama. That is the prasiddhi. That's what he is telling. Yatra manavaha mrutaha san. When person dies or before going to die, Parameshwarad, from Lord Shiva, Taraka mantropadesham, the upadesha, mantra upadesha of Taraka mantram, Ramanamamu janma rakshaka mantram, Tyagaraja sings. So Taraka Mantram Upadesham Labhva, received from Lord Shiva, Anayasena Muktim Labheta, without any difficulty. Anayasena, without any difficulty. Ayasa Rahitena ityarthaha. Muktim Labheta, they attain moksha. That's why many people go at the fag end of their life. Where? Kashi. Muktim Labheta. There is in footnote, it is given, Kashyam hi jantoho praneshu utkramaneshu rudraha tarakam brahma vyachaste yena asau amruto bhutva moksham labhade. So that is the footnote he has given. It is said in Rama Upanishad, next shloka also. Yatra kutra piva kashyam marane saha maheshwaraha jantor dakshina karne tu mattaram samupadishet. That Taraka mantra, Lord Shiva, that is the source for this Acharya, right, to write this point. It is given in a Rama Upanishad. Lord Shiva gives promise there. Whoever, any Ajnani, not for you all, Jivan Muktas, okay, for Ajnanis, all the Ajnani people dies in Kashi, I will give this Taraka mantra. I will teach that Taraka mantra, he said. Even in Tattva Bodha, we saw Tanum Tyajatu Kashyam Shwapachasya Grihe Athava Jnanam Samprapti Samaye Mukto Sau Vigatashayaha. Wherever Jnani, wherever he leaves the body, either in Kashi or in anyone's house, there, suppose he gets Jnanam, he attains moksha. But some people, all people cannot get Vedanta Shravana opportunity. All people cannot receive Atma Jnanam. For them, what to do? They all go to Kashi. We won't go. We need not go. Okay. Ajnanis will go there. Okay. That is the sloka given here. Vishveshwaraha Sarvantaryami Yatra Cha Sada Sannihitaha. These people go to Kashi. My dear sons, you stay in Kashi. Wherever Lord Vishveshwara, Shiva, is close, Sada Sannihitaha. You need not stay in near the temple or in the temple. Whole Kashi is a temple. Wherever you stay in the Kashi, enough. Vishveshwara Sannihitaha Sada Yatra Cha Ati Gabhira Ganga Uttaravahini iti. Where Ganga Pravaha is flowing. Uttaravahini means a river that which flows towards northern direction. Uttaravahini, that is more sacred river. There is a belief. Uttaravahini Ganga. So near the banks of Kashi, Ganga banks are the Ganga river is flowing. Ati Gabhira, very, very deep. Gabhira means deep. That Ganga Vahini Pradhita Pravahati. It is very popular and famous also. We know that flowing towards north, very, very deep. Tatra Kashi Nagare Sthitva. May you live there in that Kashi Nagaram. What you have to do? Swasya Rajyam Palayitum Putran Adidesha Saha Raja. Ore Raja. And the mother story. Vedantam class level story where the paramu. Okay, very nice. Rajyam Palayitum. He ordered 3 sons. May you 3 of you stay in Kashi, living in the Kashi, because you will get moksha here, and rule your loka. Any what loka I am giving, allotting, you rule that place. Saharaja Putran Adidesha. He ordered them. Punarapi Saha Putranu Avochat. We have to read the portion. Punarapi Saha Putran Avochat. Ayam Paraha Samsaraha. Ayam Aparaha Samsaraha. Dukkharupaha Pamarastu Tam Sukharupam Matva Samsara Bhogaya Samsarika Bhogaya Dhanameva Atyadarena Uparjayanti Natu Mukyartham Atmavicharam Kurvanti Mukyartham Atmavicharam Idrishe Pamara Janaihi Sahavasam Vihaya Ekante Nija Sukhalabhaya Aham Yatishye iti Punaha api. Again, having said this much, further he says Putran Avochat. He said these words, following words. What are they? Ayam aparaha samsaraha dukkha rupaha. Why I am distributing this kingdom to you? I want to leave this place. I am leaving. That's why I am handing over my responsibilities to 3 of you. Because this world, aparaha means shoreless, limitless, samsaraha, this entire universe is dukkha rupaha, with full of sorrow only. In this sorrowful world, illiterate asamskrita purushaha pamaraha tu, pamaraha means avivekinaha ityarthaha, atma anatma viveka rahitaha, those who do not have discrimination, viveka rahitaha pamaraha ityarthaha. What they do, te sukharupam matva, they think that this world gives sukham, sukharupam matva. Considering this world, putra, putri, griha, vahanam, sarvam, sukharupam, they are giving ananda. Really speaking, they are not giving ananda. Even an iota of ananda is not there in putra or putri or griha, in vahanam. Your ananda only reflecting there, that they do not know. Atmananda only reflecting. Pamaraha na jananti. Therefore, sukharupam matva, thinking like that dog bone, that dry bone, dog eating and crushing, thinking that blood, flesh is coming from the bone. How dry bone can give that much flesh, blood? But dog is thinking, okay, understood, because it is dog. But what about human being? Human being also thinking that Ananda is coming from outside. My Atmananda only reflecting, he do not know. That's why I use the word Pamaraha. That means how many Pamaras there in the world now? Except a Viragi, except a Jnani, all are Pamaraha who are seeking happiness, Ananda in worldly objects, worldly relations. You can be with them, but you expect Ananda from them and you depend for your Ananda, peace on them. That is Shastra condemning. So, Matva, Samsarika Bhogaya, for that entertainment, for that pleasure, Bhogaya, Samsarika Bhoga means sense pleasures. What they do? Dhanameva Atyadarena Archayanti. They earn lot of money. Dhanam Archayanti. How they do? Atyar Ati Adarena, with so much love for that money. Atyadarena. From morning to till night, throughout the week, they work. They don't take rest, they don't spend any time for Anushtanam, Achara, Bhakti, Puja, temple, going to temple. No time for them. Morning they get up, pack and go. Come in the evening and by that time person is tired and sleep off. Like that throughout the week they do. And all left out works and all they do on Sunday, over. Like that years together they spend. No punyam purushartham. No reading any books at all. What they are doing now, people, you see, most of them time they are sitting in the bus and traveling 1.5 hours. Evening 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is very less, I think. And they travel this much time. And where is the samskara for them to think all these things? That's a atyadarena. Once you have too much affection towards money earning and all, you cannot spend time for your spiritual growth. You have to take out the time. Therefore, you have to sacrifice money. Enough for me. This house is enough for me. This much money is enough for me. I am contented. I have contentment. Now I don't want. I spend my time for dhyanam, japa, bhagavad chintana, satsanga, whole month music season. Enga porna Krishna dance, Rama Khada, all you can see, Pata, Sangeetam, dance, everything is Bhagavan. They don't go for that also. They don't have time to enjoy at least Margali Masam, Dhanur Masam. You can enjoy. உங்களுக்கெல்ல இல்லை ஓகே மற்றவங்களுக்கு நீங்கள் எல்லாம் வேதாந்தா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யூ ஆர் என்ஜாயிங் இன் வேதாந்தா ஃபார் அதர்ஸ் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் ஈவன் ஃபார் தட் ஆல்சோ தே டோன்ட் கிவ் டைம் ஆல் த டைம் ವರ್ಕಹಾಲಿಕ್ என்ன தனம் ஆதரேன நாட் சிம்பிளி அத்தியந்த ஆதரேன ஒரே ஆசை பணம் 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 காசேதான் கடவுளடா அந்த வேர்டு இது கரெக்டாக Atyantam adarena Arjayanti, they earn money for son's sake, daughter's sake, save, so much saving. Natu muktyartham atma vicharam kurvanti. They will never work for moksha. Atma vicharam sake, self-inquiry, for mukti, they never work for. Therefore, dhanam dharmartham. Aharam dhanam aharartham. Aharam prana sandharanartham. Prana sandharanam mokshartham. You earn money for what? To get food. To getting food for what? To survive, to live. Education is not just mere for survival. Education is not just mere for survival. But this is the thinking for people nowadays. Our children, their thinking is what to only earning money. Life is what earn money, enjoy. It's not just for survival and enjoyment. There is some other higher purpose. For that sake only, we have to give training for children at a very young age. Otherwise, they become mad of money and they rush towards money, and finally they end up with what? Oppression, depression, suppression. Without any nimmadi. Where there is no religion, abhyasa, dance, music, some entertainment, some reading books, satsanga is not there, they can never enjoy that money what they have earned. By that time they realize it is almost too late. Too late. Okay. Na kurvanti idrusha pamara janaihi. By these such type of pamara janaihi, by these people, we should not do sahavasam. Pamara janaihi saha. In Telugu we call it as sahavasam. Sahavasam means friendship. May you not do friendship with such a type of people who always talks about money, gold, all dress, which hotel we go and eat, how much we earn, and where we can go and tour, Europe tour, and the tour, in the tour. Poor tour, even sadhana camps they convert into tour. அது கேட்ட உடனே எனக்கு பிபி ஏறிடும் அப்படியே. எத்தனை வாட்டி சொன்னேன், ஆனாலும் டூர் தான் கேட்பான். இது எப்படி டூர் ஆகும்? ஐ ஆம் கீப்பிங் எனி டூரிசம் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். Swamini can take anyone to tour. அப்படி எப்படி அந்த வார்த்தை வருதுன்னு நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கூட வருது. அது வெளியில் உங்களுக்கு கேட்டால் பரவாயில்ல. இந்த வருஷம் எங்கே போகிறாரு சுவாமி டூருன்னா? எங்கேயும் போக மாட்டேன், ஆணை கட்டி தான் போவேன். I want to reduce the number. That's why I am keeping the same place. If I take different places, ஒரு காலத்தில் எல்லாம் கூட்டிகிட்டு போனேன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பிளேசஸ். அப்போ தான் புரிஞ்சது இதெல்லாம் டூர் பிஸ்னஸ் ஆக போச்சு, எல்லாம் டூர்ன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், இது மாதிரி வேண்டான்னு நினச்சேன். ஆல்வேஸ் டாக்கிங் அபவுட் தனம், டூரு, என்ஜாய்மெண்ட்டு. நான் அங்கே பார்த்தேன், இது பார்த்தேன், அங்கே போயிட்டு வந்தேன், இங்கே போயிட்டு வந்தான்னா ஒரு சாதனை கிடையாது, இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட்டே இல்லை. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கெட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், then you have to get transformation. Information, confirmation and transformation. Information தான் வருது தவிர no confirmation, no transformation. Ticket confirmation தான் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. ஆத்ம ஞானம் கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வருதா வரலையான்னு எனக்கு சந்தேகம். சரி, வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஒரு நாளைக்கு வராமல் எங்கே போகும், அதனால் கூட்டிகிட்டே போகிறேன். ஒரு நாளைக்கு அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோ அந்த மாதிரி பார்க்குறேன். They are testing me, I am testing them. The students are testing me or I am testing them. பகவானுக்கு தான் தெரியும். ஓகே. சகவாசம் விஹாய, having given up the friendship with such people who talks about money, wealth, pleasures, all the time materialistic things. ekante nije sukham alabhaya, sukha labhaya, to get the sukham in ekanta. Once you are in with Bhagavan doing puja, you are in ekanta only. That is ekanta labhaya. Aham yatishye iti, I am going out. Yatishye, I am leaving. To leave this friendship of these people, worldly people. Yatishye. This is an indirectly message for his children also. You also do like this only after some time, truly. We should not sit in the family continuously. Either you are an officer or a raja or any job, whatever you are doing, You should not stay in that continuously. Before long, your energy is going, draining. You have to hand over that to next generation, and you have to do what? Japa and Dhyanam, Upasana. But நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் இப்போ? நம்ம என்ன லோகம். All people are spending port, possessions, obligations, transactions, relations. விடப்பான் விட மாட்டேன், ஆவி விட்டாலும் சாவி விட மாட்டேன். பற்று இத்தனை காலம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க சுவாமி. ஐ எம் டூயிங் ஃப்ரம் ஸோ லாங் டைம், ஹவு கேன் ஐ கிவ் அப் நவ்? சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பேருன்னா உட்காரவே முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது பாருங்க. Sit quietly, do nididhyasanam, attend Vedanta class and appa, venda. Like that people. Now what happened? With this Shubha Santati story is over. Shubha Santati character comes very much later. Now in 124, what these children are thinking? Aha, our father want to escape from all these things, but he is pushing us in this samsara. No, we don't want this samsara problem. Children leave the father and goes away. Gets vairagyam. Because of father's advice, above statements, just like that Yagnavalkya said Maitreyi, I am distributing the property. I am going to take Vidvat Sannyasana. Where you are going, I will also come, she said. இவங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? அப்பான்னு விட்டுட்டு 3 பேர் கிளம்ப போகிற. நெக்ஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃப் 124 டாபிக் புத்ராணாமபி ராஜ்ய ஜிஹாச பித்ருவாக்யமிதம் ஸ்ருத்வா சத்யுக்தி புத்தியுக்தாஸ்த்ரயோபி புத்தியுக்தாஸ்த்ரயோ புத்ராः ஏகாந்தே சம்பூயைவம் சமாலோசயன் பிதாஸ்மான் संसार सागरे दुःखोदर्के पातयित्वा स्वयं ब्रह्मानन्दं प्रतिपिप्सति यस्मात् आत्मा विचारासक्तः अपार दुःखरूपत्वात् अखण्डम् असपत्नमपि राज्यं पिता जिहासति तस्माद्वयम् अपि इदम् राज्यम् अत्यंत दुःखरूपं परित्यजेम इति. What a plan, master plan. 3 sons, putranamapi, even these 3 sons also. Why api? Because Raja also want to leave the kingdom. The children also Rajya Jihasa, Hatum Hicha Jihasa, desire to leave what? Rajyam, Rajya Jihasa. For these 3 children also, there is no desire for kingdom. They want to leave the kingdom. What they did? Pitruvakyam idam shrutva, having heard their father's words, Shrutva, Sadyukti, Buddhiyukta, Strayaha api putraha. What type of children? Good children. That's why Shubhasantati. He says, Putram ekante sambhuyaivam. They, after father's advice, they went to one place. 3 of them together, sambhuya, together, evam samalochayan. They thought of in this manner. They thought in this manner, ekante. Children are sadyukti, means shastra sammata tarka buddhi yuktaha ityarthaha. Sadyukti. Yukti means logically they are thinking. Father said, Jagat is dukkha rupam, Atma is sukha rupam. So they are also starting thinking. Namma payani sonna kekamata. Ungalukku varu sadyukti. They have that Shruti Sammata Tarka Buddhi Yuktaha. Shruti Sammata Tarka means that Tarka backed by Shastra. Shastra says Atma is birthless, Atma is eternal. So this is the Shruti Sammata Tarka. Buddhi Yuktaha, they have this much refinement in their intellect to thinking about the father's words. Oh, some father is telling like this. There is no sukham in this world, this kingdom and all. This much father is having, why he is leaving? Something sukham he is going to get, but he is pushing us in this. Putraha ekante sambhuya evam samalochayan. Within inverted commas now. Pita asman samsara sagare. Our father, what he is doing in this samsara sagara, in the world of the ocean of samsara, dukkha, dukkhodarke, means that samsara which gives the result is nothing but dukkham. Dukkham is the result. Dukkhodarke means dukkha udarke, dukkha phalam ityartha. Udarka means phalam. What phalam this world gives? Putra, putri, dhanam. How many people are lifelong putra is giving ananda? Lifelong putri is giving ananda. Appappa dukkham kudukrangala illaya? Kudukrangle. By coming near they give dukkham, by going away from us dukkham. Somehow or other they are giving dukkham. One way or other, one time or other, they are giving dukkham. Everything is giving dukkham. That is the phalam. Patayitva. He is pushing us in this dukkha world, pushing us. Swayam Brahmanandam Pratipissati. He want to enjoy that Brahmananda. Namaku matra samsara dukkham. Avarku matra Brahmanandama enna. Namaku vendappa. Who will talk like that? Appa pona nimmadi and nenipa. Eppa povano edirpappa. Nowadays children. That is why Acharya used the word Sadyukti Buddhi Yuktaha. But children are waiting for father's departure and waiting to get will, house, property. If he won't give, they will send fast soon. Illena engavadhu old age home kanuparade. சும்மா முள்ளமாக சைன் பண்ணி வாங்குறது, அப்புறம் மெதுவாக வெளியில் அனுப்புறது. எத்தனை பேர் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் உலகத்தில். ஏன் என்ன சத்யுக்தி நாஸ்தி, புத்தி ஏவ நாஸ்தி. They are not learning a lesson by seeing the people. Nobody is carrying a single pie while going. Nobody is carrying anything. Even single or wee bit of ஒரு கிராம் தங்கமாவது விடக்கூடாது. He is having lakhs and crores of money. They won't leave even 1 gram of gold with that person. What he is carrying? Nothing. But after seeing that also, people won't learn lesson. Ellarku sadyukti buddhi won't be there. But these children are very intelligent. Swayam, okay. Brahmanandam pratipissati means pratipad dhatu. desired desiderative form, pratipattum ichchati. He wants to attain that Brahmananda, but he is pushing us in samsara. That's the Gatti Melam. When they are tying, the Gatti Melam joke solra. Mati tie, mati. And is the ardham. Nalla mati tiyappa. That's why they are playing in the Gatti Melam. Mati kiradada. If you don't have Purushartha in front of you, the big chain. But our people said, Grihastha Ashrama, make it so simple and enjoy, get moksha in that. Even poi, adlo Martin, class kuda varamale, ukand, tindad indirka. Veduma. வாரத்தில் ஒரு 4 கிளாஸ்க்கு வந்தால் என்ன ஆகிடும்? சத்சங்கம் அந்த அளவுக்கு புத்திர வியாமோகம், புத்திரி வியாமோகம், கிரக வியாமோகம், கார் வியாமோகம், தன வியாமோகம், தங்கம் வியாமோகம், ஸ்வர்ண வியாமோகம், வியாமோகமோ வியாமோகம் பீப்புள். சரி, யஸ்மாத் ஆத்மவிசாராசக்தः. Why father is going, leaving us, pushing like this? For the sake of Atma. Ananda, Atma Vichara, inquiry into the self, asaktaha, with that interest, apara dukkha rupatvat, akhandam, asapatnim api rajyam, pita jihasati. See, this kingdom, father is leaving to us. What type of kingdom? 3 kingdoms. Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Sruvarloka, Trailokya Rajyam, no enemy at all. Asapatnam, no enemy also. Our defense minister says, no one should have such a type of neighboring country. Just India has got. We have got such a neighboring country, always they create problems. Adu madri irundha romba kashtam. But these Rajyams, what he is having, there are no rivals, unrivaled kingdoms. Asapatnam means unrivaled kingdom. What? Akhandam. Dukkha swarupatvat, apara dukkha swarupatvat, without any division or without any division, any quarrel, any fighting in that kingdom. There is everything going smoothly, no rival, no fighting, nothing is there. Everything is fine. But why father want to leave this kingdom? Rajyam pita jihasati. Father is leaving such a beautiful 3 kingdoms. Without any problem, the kingdoms are there. Naturally, they are well to rule also. Tasmad vayamapi. We are also api idam rajyam atyanta dukkha rupam parityajema. Father said, idella dukkha rupam. So we also leave the dukkha rupam rajyam. When father is leaving, why you have to stay here? Dukkha rupa rajyam. Atyanta dukkha rupam. Extremely giving sorrow. Parityajema. Let us, we also drop. Parityajema means sacrifice. We don't want. Without any external threat, it is there, the kingdom. In spite of that, our father leaving, therefore we also let us go, because there is a dukkham, potential dukkham is there. Any time it can come. Now he goes further. Iti, up to here within inverted commas, the children, 3 of them have planned. What? We don't want this kingdom. That is maturity. Suppose property is coming up, sometimes we also, people buy flat with full of problems. அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி பிளாட்டு ஃப்ளாட்டு எல்லாமே கோர்ட்டில் தான் இருக்கும். ஆஃப்டர் பையிங் only they come to know. And they are struggling in the court for 10 years, 20 years for that property. வேணுமா வேண்டாப்பா வச்சுக்கோனி. What they do? 125. स्वगृहा निर्गत्य त्रयाणां गुरूपसदनम् एवं निर्णीय ते त्रयोपि पुत्राः मुमुक्षवः शुभसन्ततिरिति पितुर्नामान्वर्धीकुर्वन्तः सद्गुरुम् अन्वेष्टुं राजगृहानिर्ययुः. விட்டுட்ட gone in artham. Okay, Rajagrihat, Swagrihat, from their own palace house. Swagrihat, Nirgatya, having come out of that, having gone out of the palace. Trayanam Guru Upasadanam, 3 of them are approaching the Guru Upasadanam. Evam Nirniya, that is the heading. Evam Nirniya, just as above said 124 topic, they have decided to leave the kingdom. Evam Nirniya, having decided like that. Te Trayaha api, these 3 children, Putraha, who are they? Not ordinary sons, Mumukshavaha. Sivra Mumukshus, 3 of them, desirer of mokshas. Subhasantati Riti, they have got Shubhasantati name. Sons of Shubhasantati. Correct irukku. Appaku enna peru? Shubhasantati. Enna artham theriyumo? The father who has got good children enna artham. Worthy children is called Shubhasantati. So appa peru sarthakam aayidutha illaya? Suppose children are not good, father is having Shubhasantati. The father who has got good children, children are not good, that name is what? No use, meaningless. But the children, what they did? Shubhasantati riti piturnamam anvardhi kurvantaha. Piturnaman ardhi kurvantaha. Anvardhi kurvantaha means they have made that father's name meaningful. Sadgurum Anveshtum, in the search of Guru, Anveshtum, Rajagrihat Niryayuhu. He left the palace, Rajagrihat, from the Rajagriham, from the palace of the king. They left that place, Niryayuhu. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.